Coming to the first problem. So fill in the blanks in the following table. So the table is given, children. So there are 5 problems. So in today's session, let us solve 2 problems. So A, D. A is the first term, D is a common difference, N is a number of terms, and AN is a nth term, isn't it? So A is given is 7, D is 3, N value is 8, and they asked you to find nth term of an AP, that is AN you have to find out. So how will you find out, children? So use the formula. What is the formula to find the nth term of an AP? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, isn't it? Now what is given, children? So it's given, what is given? A value is given, it is 7, D value is given, it is 3, N value is given, it is 8, and they asked you to find AN value is how much, isn't it? So substitute the value, children. AN you have to find out now. A value is how much? 7. N value is 8. Substitute the value, children, into D. D value is 3. So AN is equal to 7 plus, remove the bracket now, 8 minus 1 into 7, 7 into 3. So AN value is 7 plus 7 3s are, it is 21. So AN value is 28. So here you have to fill in the blank, children. So in place of AN you have to write down 28. Clear? Coming to the second problem, minus 18. A value is minus 18. D value you need to calculate. N value is 10 and AN value is 0. So what is the given, children? So solution for second one, what is given? A value is given, it is minus 18. D value don't know, put question mark, you have to find out. N value it is 10 and AN value it is 0, it is given. Now write the formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN value is 0, AN value is 0, substitute. A value is minus 18 plus N value is 10 minus 1 into D. D value you have to find out. So this minus 18 I'll transpose to left hand side, children. So it is plus 18 equal to 10 minus 1, it is 9 into D. So D value is 18 divided by 9. So D value is 2. Got it? Therefore D value is how much, children? So D value is 2. So write the value D equal to 2 here. Coming to the question, fill in the blanks in the following table. So in the table, A value you have to find out. D value it is minus 3, N value is 18 and AN value it is given minus 5. So which value you have to find out, children? So A value you need to calculate now. It's clear? So what is given? Given A value don't know, put the question mark, that you need to calculate now. Then D value is given, it is minus 3, N value is 18 and AN value it is given, it is minus 5. So first write the formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then substitute the values, children. So AN value is minus 5. Substitute in place of AN. Substitute the value minus 5 equal to A value. Don't know, right? A as it is plus N minus. N is how much? It is 18 minus 1 into D. D value is minus 3. So minus 5 equal to A plus 18 minus 1. It is 17 into minus 3. So minus 5 equal to A plus of 17 into minus 3. It is minus 3 7s are 21. 2 in hand. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5 minus 51. So A value you have to find out, children. So that is minus 5 equal to A plus of minus minus 51. So A value you keep there only, minus 5 plus 51. So A value is minus 5 plus 51, it is plus 46. Therefore A value is how much, children? It is 46. 6. So that value you have to substitute here. Okay. So A value is 46. Coming to the fourth problem, A value is given minus 18.9, D value is 2.5, N value you need to calculate now, and AN value that is 3.6. So what is given, children? So A value they have given, so it is minus 18.9. So D value it is 2.5. So N value don't know, you have to find out, and AN equal to 3.6. First write the formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is a formula to find the nth term of an AP. So AN value is how much? 3.6. So in place of AN, substitute the value 3.6 equal to A value is minus 18.9 plus N value don't know, write as it is, minus 1 into D. D value is 2.5. So next step, so simplification, children. So 3.6, this minus 18 point I'll transpose to left hand side. So it becomes plus 18.9 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. So 3.6 plus 18.9 is how much, children? So 3.6 plus 18.9. So add it, children. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 in hand. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 8, 12. So 1 in hand, 1 plus 1, so it is 2. So it is 22.5. So write here 22.5 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Got it? Now, so 22.5, this 2.5, see here n minus 1 into 2.5, this into 2.5, if you transpose left hand side, it becomes divided by 2.5 equal to n minus 1. So what I will do, children, here, so I need to remove this decimal place, so I will multiply this by 10, even denominator also I will multiply by 10. So that I can remove that decimal point. So it is 225 divided by 25 equal to n minus 1. So 25 ones are 25 nines are. That implies n minus 1 equal to 9. So n value is 9 plus 1. So n, therefore n value is how much, children? 9 plus 1, it is 10. So that's 10 value. So substitute here. Okay. So n value is 10 here. Coming to the fifth problem. A value is 3.5, D value is 0, N value is 105, and AN value you have to find out. So what is given, children? So A value is 3.5, D value is 0, N value is 105, and AN value don't know, you have to find out, put question mark. Write the formula. AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Got it? This is the formula to find the nth term of an AP. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Just let us substitute the values. A value is 3.5 plus N value 105 minus 1 into D. D value is 0. Simplify, children. 3.5. So AN equal to, so 3.5, 105 minus 1, it is 104 into 0. So AN equal to 3.5, 104 into 0, so the value is 0. Isn't it? If you multiply any number with 0, you will get product is 0 itself. Isn't it? So AN equal to 3.5 plus 0, it is 3.5 itself. And this 3.5 value, you please fill in the blanks. So it is right here 3.5. Choose the correct choice in the following. First question, 30th term of the AP. So AP they have given, children, 10, 7, 4, dash is. So option A that given 97, option B 77, option C minus 77, and option D minus 87. So we have to find 30th term of this AP. 10, 7, 4 is how much we have to find out, children. Is it clear? Now, what is the AP, children? So 10, 7, 4, so on, isn't it? Now we have to find its 30th term. This is our first term, isn't it? So this is the second term, A2, and this is the third term, A3, and so on. Somewhere here middle you may get here 30th term. Is it clear? So here somewhere you may get here 30th term. This A 30th term you have to find out, children. Is it clear? So that is A 30th term. Got it? A 30 you have to find out. Is it clear? And this list of number is continuous like this. So you have to find out now its 30th term is how much. So what I'll do? So first find the common difference, children. So D equal to A2 minus A1. So is how much? Second term is 7 minus first term is 10. So it is common difference is 7 minus 10. It is minus 3. Is it clear? Now how will you find its 30th term? We already learned the formula, that is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So now 30th term you have to find out, means a 30 you have to find out, equal to a value is how much? 10. Substitute the value, children. N value 30th term, so n value is 30 minus 1 into common difference, it is minus 3. So A30 equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1, it is 29 into minus 3. So A30 equal to 10 plus of minus minus 29 into 3, do children? 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8. A30 equal to 10 minus 87, it is minus 77. So where is the option, children? So option C is a correct answer. So A30 value is minus 77. Coming to the second question, find the 11th term of the AP, minus 3, minus half, 2 and so on. So we have to find its 11th term. Is clear? So what is AP, children? Minus 3, minus half, comma 2 and so on. So we have to find its 11th term. So A11 you have to find out, children. Is it clear? Before finding this 11th term, let us find the common difference. How will you find the common difference? A2 minus A1, isn't it? So A2 value is how much? It is minus half, minus A1 value is minus 3. So it is how much? Minus half plus 3. So it is, take LCM, children. 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So what is the common difference, children? 6 minus 1, it is 5 by 2. So common difference is 5 by 2. Is it clear? Now we have to find its 11th term. How will you, what is the formula? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now A11 equal to A value is how much? It is minus 3 plus n value is 11 minus 1 into d value is 5 by 2. Let us substitute the value, children. So A11 equal to minus 3, remove the bracket, children. 11 minus 1, it is 10 into 5 by 2. Now a plus 2 1s are 2 5s are, isn't it? So what is the answer, children? A11 is equal to minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. So A11 equal to minus 3 plus 25, it is plus 22. Got it? So what is the 11th term of AP? Minus 3 minus half 2, it is plus 22. Where is the option, children? Option B is the correct answer. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. See the first question, 2, the missing term in the box, 26. So this is our first term, A1. The missing term which is in the box, that is A2, and 26 it is given, it is third term. So first term is 2, third term is 26. Now we have to find out its second term, that is A2 value we have to find out, children. Is it clear? So how will you find second term, children? So here we know that general form of an AP. So what is the general form of an AP? General form of an AP, that is A plus D, comma A plus 2D and so on, isn't it? So what is the general form of an AP? A, comma A plus D, comma A plus 2D and so on. So now this is first term, it is A. Now second term, that is A plus D, we have to find out, and this is the next third term, it is A plus 2D, isn't it? So what is given? A value is given, that is the first term, A equal to 2. Next, which value you know, children? It is A3 value. So A3 value is A plus 2D, isn't it? A3, you can write it as A plus 2D value, that is given. It is how much? It is 26. So in place of A3, let me write 26 equal to A plus 2D. Now A value is how much? It is 2. Substitute in here, children. So 26 is equal to A value, in place of A, I'll substitute 2. 2 plus 2D. So now transpose this 2 to left hand side. 26 minus 2 equal to 2D. 26 minus 2 is 24 equal to 2D. Now we need to find out D value, children. So 24 divided by 2. So the D value is 2 ones are 2 12s are. So D value is 12. So what is the D value, children? Therefore D common difference, it is 12. Now you know the first term, you know the common difference. Now you can find the second term, children, isn't it? What is the second term? A2 equal to A plus D, isn't it? This is the first term A, this is A plus D, and this is A plus 2D. Next, if terms are there, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D and so on. Now we have to find out second term. A2 value you have to find out. What is the A first term? It is 2. Substitute the value. So what is the common difference we got now here? It is 12. Substitute then. So second term is 2 plus 12. It is 14. Got it? So second term is 14. So this 14 value you have to put in this box. You have to write in this box. Is it clear? So what is the second term, children? So it is 14. See the second question. So missing term in the box. Second term is 13. So again one more missing term in the box. Next fourth term is 3 is given. So this first term, missing terms in the box, first one it is A1. So A1 you have to find out, children, or A you have to find out. So this A2 value they have given, it is 13. A3 value you have to find out, children, and A4 value they have given. Is it clear? This is first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So which values we have we already know, children. So A2 value and A4 value we already know. So using these two values, so we have to find out A and third term. Is it clear? Now how will you find? So what is given? Let us write first, children. A2 value is given, it is 13. Next, which value you know? A4 value, it is 3. It's clear? Now A2, this is the second term. A2 value, I can write it as A plus D. This is, if you know the already general form of an AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, and it is A plus 3D. So now A2, I can write it as A plus D equal to 13. Now you call that equation 1, children. Now A4 value, that is A plus 3D equal to 3. Now we call that equation 2. Now what you have to do? So this equation 1 and equation 2 you have to solve, and you have to find out A and D value, because we don't know A value also, D value also, isn't it? To find the next terms, we have to find out first term and common difference. Is it clear? So now solve this equation 1 and 2. So let me write like this, children, one below the other. Next second equation, let me write A plus 3D equal to 3. Now you subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so what happens? So just change the sign. Plus a minus a get cancelled. Plus d minus 3d minus 2d. 13 minus 3, it is 10. Now d equal to 10 divided by minus 2. So d value is 2 1s are 2 5s are. So it is minus 5. So what is the common difference now here? D equal to minus 5. Now we have to find out its first term. So what I'll do? Substitute d equal to minus 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 or equation 2 you can substitute, children, no problem. Okay, so let me substitute in equation 1, so which is equation 1. So a plus d equal to 13. Now a value we have to find out. D value how much you got, children? It is minus 5. Substitute equal to 13. So a minus 5 equal to 13. A value is 13. This minus 5 you transpose right hand side, it becomes plus 5. So a value is 13 plus 5, it is 18. So what is the first term, children? A, 18. So please put in this box, it is 18. Got it? What is the first term? It is 18. So what is the common difference we got, children? It is 5, isn't it? Let us find. See, 18 minus 5, yes, 13. Next, how will you find third term? Add the common difference to second term, you will be getting third term, isn't it? So second term you know already. Add the common difference to second term, you will be getting third term. If you add the common difference is minus 5. Add the common difference to second term, you will be getting third term. If you want, let me write like this. A3 equal to A2 plus D. So what is the A2 value? It is 13 plus of minus 5. So 13 plus of minus 5. So what is the answer, children? 13 minus 5, it is 8. Is it clear? So third term is now here 8 you have to write. Third main question, in the following APs find the missing terms in the boxes. See your first term, it is A. So now we have to find, this is the first term A1. Second term we have to find out, children, and third term we have to find out, and fourth term it is given, that is 9.5. It's clear? Now, so how will you find this missing term, children? So A2 and A3 value you have to find out. So what is given, you write down first. A value is given, it is 5. Next, A fourth term is given. So A4 equal to 9.5 it is given, isn't it? So convert this into it is in a mixed form, convert into proper fraction. So A4 equal to 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1, it is 19 by 2. So A4 I can write it as A plus 3D, isn't it? So this is our fourth term. A plus D, A plus 2D, and this is A plus 3D. So you can apply the formula also, children. A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So 4 minus 1 it is, so A plus 3D. So A4 you can write it as A plus 3D equal to 19 by 2. Now, see, A value is given is how much, children? It is 5. So substitute here. A value is 5 plus 3D equal to 19 by 2. Now D value let us find out first. 3D equal to 19 by 2. This plus 5 you transpose to right hand side, it becomes minus 5. Now take the LCM. 3D equal to 2 into 1, 2 and 1 LCM is 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 into 19, 19 minus 1 2s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 3D equal to 19 minus 10, it is 9 by 2. D value is 9 by 2 into 3, it becomes divided by 3. So it is, D value is 9 by 6, or 3 3s are 3, 2s are 6. So D value is 3 by 2. So what is the common difference, children? D value is 3 by 2. Now we have to find out its second term. A2 value you have to find out. How will you find out second term? Add the common difference to first term. You will be getting second term, isn't it? So A2 equal to A plus D. So A term, first term you know already children. So that is 5 plus second term is A plus D. So 5 plus common difference, how much we got children? It is 3 by 2. So second term is, take the LCM, 1 and 2 LCM is 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 5s are 10, plus 2 1s are 2, 1 plus 1 into 3, 3. So second term is 13 by 2. Got it? So now you see your children, fourth term it is in a mixed form. So better convert this 13 by 2 into also its mixed form. So A2 value, let me write it as in a mixed form. 2 6 are 12. So 1 is the remainder. So write 2 as it is. So what is the mixed form of 13 by 2? It is 6 and half. So this 6 and half, so please put in the box. So it is 6 and half, right in your second place. Got it? Second term is now 6 and half. Is it clear? Now we need to find out now third term. Is it clear? Now third term you have to find out children, A3. So how will you find out A3? Add the common difference to second term, you will be getting third term. What is the common difference? Add the common difference to second term, you will be getting third term. So let me write here, A3 equal to A2 plus D. So A3 value equal to A2 value is 6 and half. So let me write 6 and half, it is 13 by 2 plus D. D is 3 by 2. So it is how much? A3 value is, take LCM children. So it is 13 plus 3. So A3 value is 13 plus 3 is 16 by 2. So A3 value is 8. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So what is the third term? It is 8. So A3 value you write down here. Is it clear? So the second term is 6 and half and third term is 8. So fourth question. First term it is given -4. Second term, this is the first term, A1. A2 value you have to find out children. A3 value you have to find out. A4 value you have to find out. A5 value also you have to find out. And A6th value they have given, that is 6. So sixth term it is given, it is 6. So what is given? A value they have given, it is -4. And which value you know children? It's the sixth term you know. A6 value is how much? It is 6. So now A6, I'll write it as A plus 5D. Got it? So equal to 6. So A value is how much? -4. Substitute there, plus 5D equal to 6. So 5D equal to 6 -4, you transpose this side, right hand side. So it becomes +4. 5D equal to 10. D value is 10 divided by 5. You transpose to right hand side, it becomes divided by 5. So D value is 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. So D value is 2. Is it clear? So what is the first term? It is -4. Common difference is 2. Now you can find second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, isn't it? So how will you find out second term? Add the common difference to first term, you will be getting second term, isn't it? So add the common terms. So A2 equal to A plus D. So A value is -4 plus common difference is 2. So second term is -4 plus 2, it is -2. So the second term is -2, right in the box. It's clear? Now how will you find the third term children? Add the common difference to second term, you will be getting third term. So add the common difference D to second term. So what is the common difference children here? Now 2. Add 2 -2, you will be getting third term. So -2 plus 2, it is 0. Is it clear? Or you can work out A3 equal to A2 plus D. Second term is -2. So common difference is 2. So A3 value is -2 plus 2, it is 0. Fourth term how will you find out, children? Add the common difference d equal to 2 to third term, you will be getting fourth term. So 0 plus 2, it is plus 2 itself, isn't it? So next, add the common difference to fourth term, you will be getting fifth term. So plus 2 plus 2, it is plus 4. Is it clear? Next, sixth term they have given. So second term is minus 2, third term is 0, fourth term is 2, fifth term is 4. Okay, so let me write here a4 value is, so a3 plus d. So a3 value is 0, 0 plus d, it is 2. So a4 value is, it is 2. Okay, similarly a5 equal to, so a5 equal to a4 plus d. So a4 value is 2 plus common difference also 2. So a5 equal to 2 plus 2, it is 4. Fifth term is 4. It's clear? So you can work out like this also. Okay, so a2 second term is minus 2, third term is 0, fourth term is 2, and fifth term is 4. Coming to the fifth problem, a1 term we don't know, we have to find out, children. Second term is given 38. So third term we don't know, fourth term we have to find out, children. Even fifth term also we have to find out, and sixth term it is given. So sixth term is minus 22. So what is the value we know, children? Second term a2 value is 38 and a6th value is minus 22. Now a second value I can write it as a plus d equal to 38. Call that equation 1. a6 I can write it as a plus 5d equal to minus 22. Now you simplify first equation and second equation to find a and d value. Okay, so let us solve equation 1 and equation 2 to get a and d value. So let me write like this: a plus d equal to 38, then a plus 5d equal to minus 22. So this is our equation 1. So this is the equation 2. Now subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So what you'll get, children? Now just change the sign. Plus a minus a get cancelled. Plus d minus 5d, it is minus 4d equal to 38 plus 22. Okay, so 8 plus 2 10, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So now d value is 60 divided by minus 4. So d value is minus 15. What is the common difference, children? It is minus 15. So now we have to find out first term. So how will I find first term? Substitute d equal to minus 15 in equation 1 or 2. Okay, let me substitute in equation 1. What's the equation 1? A plus d equal to 38. Now a plus d value is how much? Minus 15 equal to 38. So a value is a plus of minus minus 15 equal to 38. So a value is how much, children? 38 minus 15 you transpose to right hand side, it becomes plus 15. A equal to 8 plus 5 13, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So what is the first term, children? It is 53. Is it clear? So this 53, so please write down in the box. Okay, first term is 53. Now you have to find out third term, fourth term and it's a fifth term. Okay, so how will you find out, children? Add the common difference to second term, you will be getting third term. Isn't it? Add the common difference. Add the common difference to second term. You will be getting third term. So what's the common difference, children? It is minus 15. So 38 minus 15 you do, you will get third term. Okay. Same way, add the common difference to third term, you will be getting fourth term. Add the common difference to fourth term, you will be getting fifth term. Is it clear? So subtract, children. 38 minus 15 you do, you will get third term. Is it clear? Or let me write like this. So a2 A3 equal to A2 plus D. So A2 value is how much? It is 38 plus common difference is minus 15. So 38 minus 15. So what's the answer, children? Third term is 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So third term is 23. So write down here 23. Is it clear? Next, add the common difference to third term, you will be getting fourth term. So add the common difference to third term, you will be getting fourth term. So 23 minus 15 you do, you will get fourth term. So 23 plus of minus 15, minus 15. So 23 minus 15, how much, children? It is 8. Is it clear? Next, how will you find out fifth term? Add the common difference to fourth term, you will be getting fifth term. 8 minus 15, it is minus 7. Next you can check, children. Minus 7 minus 15 is, it is minus 22. So next first term is 53, second term is 38, it already given, third term is 23, fourth term is 8, fifth term is minus 7. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? 14. What's the question, children? So the AP is given. So the AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. Now which term of the AP, okay, is 78 they asked. Okay, so somewhere after continuing this list of numbers, somewhere you may get here 78 and it may continue like this, isn't it? Now what they asked, which term of the AP is 78 they asked. So this is our first term A1, this is a A2, this is the A3, this is a fourth term is 18 and so on. Now which term is 78? So now AN value is 78 and which term is 78 they have asked. Means you have to find N. Is it clear? So what is the formula, children? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Is it clear? So AN value is 78. Let us substitute the value. 78 equal to first term is 3 plus N value you have to find out, children, minus 1 into D. So D is a common difference. How will you find the common difference, children? So D is equal to A2 minus A1. So D equal to second term is 8 minus A1 value is 3. So D value is, common difference is 5. Let us substitute D value as 5. Now 78, this plus 3 I will transpose left hand side. So minus 3 equal to N minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 5 is 75 and this into 5 I will transpose this into left hand side. So it becomes divided by 5 equal to N minus 1. So 5 ones are 5, 15s are 75. So 15 equal to N minus 1. Now we need to find out N value. So the minus 1 you transpose left hand side. So 15 minus 1 if you transpose left hand side it becomes plus 1. So N value is 16. Got it? Therefore N value is 16. So what is your conclusion, children? Therefore 16th term in this list of numbers, 16th term is 78. What they asked, which term of the AP is 78? So 16th term of this AP is 78. So let's write the conclusion, children. Therefore 16th term of the AP is 78. Okay, so 16th term of the AP is 78. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So the first question, A value is, first term is 7, Let us find the common difference, children. How will you find out common difference? D equal to A2 minus A1. So what is our second term? It is 13. So D equal to 13 minus 7. So D equal to 13 minus 7 is 6. So common difference is 6. Then what is given, children? AN value you know, that is how much it is? 205. Now what you have to find out? Find the number of terms. N equal to how much you have to find out. Is it clear? So what is the formula to find the nth term of an AP, children? So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find the nth term of an AP. You have to write and you have to practice, children. Is it clear? Now let us substitute the values. AN value is 205 equal to, first term is 7. N value don't know, you have to find out. N minus 1 into D. D value is common difference. It is 6. Let us simplify. 205. I'll transpose this plus 7 to left hand side. It becomes minus 7 equal to N minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7. It is 198. This divide into 6. I'll bring it transpose to left hand side. It becomes divided by 6 equal to N minus 1. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, so 1 in hand 18, 6 3s are 18. So N value is, N minus 1 value is 33. So we have to find out N value. N value is 33. This minus 1 you transpose left hand side, it becomes plus 1. So N value is how much? 33 plus 1, it is 34. Therefore, N is equal to 34. So what is your conclusion, children? Find the number of terms. So how many terms are there? Therefore, number of terms equal to 34. Coming to the second problem, 18, 15 and half, 13 and so on. So last term is minus 47. So let us write what is given. A value you know, children. So how much? First term is 18. So let us find the common difference. So second term minus first term. So D equal to, second term is 15 and half. So let me write in a proper fraction. So 15 2 is a 30, 30 plus 1, 31 by 2 minus A1. A value is 18. So find the common difference. 2 is the LCM. 31. Okay. So here 1 is the, children. So 2 and 1 LCM is 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 into 31. 31 minus 1 2s are 2. 2 18s are 36. So D value is 31 minus 36. It is minus 5 by 2. Is it clear? Next, what is given? Now we know that nth term, it is minus 47. Now what we have to find out? N value. Find the number of terms. N value we have to find out. So let us write the formula. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An value is minus 47 equal to A value is 18 plus N value we have to find out into D. N minus 1 into D. D value is minus 5 by 2. Let us simplify. Minus 47, this 18 I'll transpose to left hand side. It becomes minus 18 equal to N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 47 minus 18. So how much you'll get, children? Minus 47 minus 18. So put the negative sign and you have to add 47 plus 18 you do. Okay. So how much you'll get? 7 plus 8. So it is 15. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, it is 6. Here minus 5 by 2, I'll transpose to left hand side. It becomes, so 2 if I transpose to left hand side, it becomes into, and this minus 5 if you transpose left hand side, it becomes divided by 5. So equal to N minus 1. So minus minus get cancelled, children. 5 1s are 5 ones are 5, so 5 13s are 65, 13 twos are 26 equal to n minus 1. So n value you have to find out, children. It is 26 minus 1, you transpose left hand side, it becomes plus 1. So n value is 27. Got it? So what is your conclusion, children? There are 27 terms are there in between 18, 15 and a half, from 13 and so on till minus 47. Therefore, number of terms equal to 27. With this problem,